के आखिरी गेंद तक ये मजेदार लम्हे रविंद्र जडेजा ये वही शख्स है जब जीत आती है इनके बल्ले से आती है। वाह भाई वाह, मजा आ गया। रविंद्र जडेजा वहां पे वो बढ़िया शॉट और ये जब भी वाह, ये है ना ये लम्हे जिसके लिए खिलाड़ी जीता है और भारत का नाम रोशन किया। ये
to get over the line this time.
You've been in this situation a couple of times in the tournament already. You just sort of take a little bit from that last innings as well.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I think I've batted in times like this in 3 out of the 5 games, and one of the games I didn't get to bat at all against Pakistan. So yeah, the game's given me good time in the middle and good time to prepare for a big moment like this.
What is it about this Indian team?
It's hard to put in words, but yeah, it's just pure skill and the way we've all played our cricket growing up, and where we've had to face a lot of challenges. We've had to face pressure from the time we held the bat and from the time we decided to be professional cricketers. So I think it's just the first class cricket, BCCI, how they've groomed every player, every talented player that comes around, and giving us opportunities and platform to showcase our skills and to put ourselves under pressure and keep challenging ourselves and getting better. I think it all comes down to that.
All right, thanks very much. I'm going to throw over to Harsha because I think you've got Jaddu with you, Harsha.
बिल्कुल मेरे साथ रविंद्र जाडेजा है। जब मैच खत्म होती है तो आप हर वक्त होते हैं वहां पे?
ये मेरा नंबर ऐसा है कि कभी हीरो या कभी जीरो बनने का चांस होता है, बट लकीली नहीं, हार्दिक और केएल ने लास्ट 10 ओवर में अच्छा पार्टनरशिप किया, क्योंकि विकेट इतना इजी नहीं था, रन निकालना इतना इजी नहीं था नए बैट्समैन के लिए, बट जो हार्दिक और केएल ने छोटा सा पार्टनरशिप किया वो वहां से पूरा गेम का मोमेंटम चेंज हुआ।
एक और बड़ा टूर्नामेंट, एक और अनबीटन टूर्नामेंट, क्या मायने रखता है आपके लिए करियर के इस स्टेज में?
बहुत ही मायने रखता है कि इंडिया के लिए आप खेल रहे हो और चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीत रहे हो और आप वो टीम के हिस्से हो, तो मेरे ख्याल से वो बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि इतने साल क्रिकेट खेलने के बाद अगर आप कोई बड़ा टूर्नामेंट नहीं जीत पा रहे हो तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं रिग्रेट सा फील होता है। बट लकीली हम लास्ट 2 साल में 24 का T20 वर्ल्ड कप और ये चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हम जीते, तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है टीम इंडिया के लिए।
वैसे आपका फिटनेस ऐसे ही बरकरार है, वेल प्लेड।
थैंक यू।
Hardik, thanks for your time. Sum up your feelings, please.
No, obviously it's always amazing to win ICC event, and especially Champions Trophy. I remember 2017 very closely to my heart. We could not finish the job that time, but very, very pleased with the way we have played throughout the tournament, and at the same point of time, how everyone contributed. That was fantastic.
Some great friends, some great mates on the side. How nice was it to see KL finish that off?
Oh, brilliant. That was calm, composed. He took his chances at the right point of time. I think this is what KL Rahul is. KL Rahul has immense talent, and I don't think anyone can hit the ball the way he can. I think that was just an exhibition of how he did today.
Wear that flag proudly tonight, my friend. You've done well. Congratulations. Over to you, Harsh.
Indeed, someone who's had a fabulous tournament so far. Shreyash, you had a beautiful World Cup. You've now had a great tournament here, but you've gone that one step further. Tell us about the feelings as they are right at the moment.
Feeling ecstatic, to be honest. It's ineffable and hard to say it in words, to be honest. This is my first ICC trophy, and I'm kind of overwhelmed looking at each and every one in the dressing room. The way we've turned up towards this tournament and the way we progressed, it was simply magnificent.
There was a calmness about your performance. With Virat getting out early, did you just feel it's up to me to take India deep?
To be honest, I love to go under pressure whenever there's challenge. I feel I thrive under pressure, and I love such moments. It's just that I've been getting amazing starts in the tournament and not able to get a big one. But at the end of the day, if I'm able to contribute towards team victory, that is immensely satisfying, and I'm truly happy.
The rocks are looking good in your ears. Another set for the win?
Hopefully, but these are the lucky ones. I'll keep them as much as possible.
Okay, well done. Well played today. Back to you, Dooley.
Thanks very much, Varun Chakravarti alongside me. You're not going to get any earrings like Shreyas, are you?
I didn't get you.
You're not going to get earrings like Shreyas?
I do have. See.
You're going to get a new one though?
No, I'll get it. Yeah.
You've got a memento there, nicely done. How have you enjoyed the tournament? I know you missed the first 2 games.
Yeah. It was a sudden inclusion, and I didn't expect it to turn out like this, and it's a dream come true.
Bowling performance tonight. How did you rate it?
Yeah, it was good because the first innings the spin was less, and we had to be very disciplined and stick to the stumps. Yeah.
All right, congratulations. Well played. Over to you, Harsha, with Kuldeep.
Talking to Varun, now talking to Kuldeep. वैसे पैड्स पहन रखे हैं, उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Luckily, बिल्कुल credit goes to KL bhai and Jaddu bhai to finishing the game.
कैसे महसूस होता है, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी टूर्नामेंट, फुल हाउस है, कुछ खास लग रहा होगा अंदर से?
बिल्कुल, एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत रहती है जब आप बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो ओवर द इयर्स, तो आप जब जाते हो टूर्नामेंट में फेवरेट्स की तरह जाते हो, बट मैं बिलीव नहीं करता हूँ फेवरेट्स पे ऐसे टैग पे, बट बिल्कुल अच्छी क्रिकेट ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स हम खेल रहे हैं, और जिस तरह से एक्सपेक्टेशंस फैंस की है हमारे, तो मैं उनको ये हमारी तरफ से ये जीत उनको, और जिस तरह से हमने एक गेम पूरा टूर्नामेंट खेला है वो वाकई लाजवाब था.
4 स्पिनर, सबका अलग अलग रोल था. आपको ऐसा लगा कि नहीं मुझे जल्दी जाके विकेटें लेनी है पहले?
नहीं, बिल्कुल है. बहुत मुश्किल है मैनेज करना. बहुत इजी है बोलना कि 4 स्पिनर से एक टीम में खेल रहे हैं, बट बहुत मुश्किल है 4 स्पिनर को मैनेज करना फील्ड पे. और जिस तरह से रोहित भाई ने मैनेज किया वो बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत आउटस्टैंडिंग मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि बैट्समैन को रीड करना और किस सिचुएशन में कौन बैटिंग करने आएगा, फिर किस तरह से किसको बॉल पे लगाना है, तो वो प्लानिंग थी. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आज की प्लानिंग है, 2-3 दिन से प्लानिंग कर रहे थे कि हाँ जो उनका बैटिंग लाइनअप है कैसे कैसे कब बॉल डालना है, तो वाकई लाजवाब था.
पार्टी है शाम को, तो बड़ी पार्टी.
बिल्कुल बनती है पार्टी, और पूरा इंडिया पार्टी करेगा आज.
Yeah, thanks very much. Shubman Gill alongside me. Shubman, a massive part of that win was your opening partnership with your captain. How did that feel, and what were you talking about?
Felt amazing. I was for the most time I was just sitting back and enjoy Rohit bhai's batting, but I think we kept talking to each other, and the partnership was very important for us, and we kept talking. Rohit bhai told me it doesn't matter how many balls you are behind, just keep looking at the scoreboard. We have to play till the end.
How nice is it? I mean, I know you had an under-19 ICC event, you now got the T20, now this one. How nice is it for you to be part of the senior team and winning trophies still?
Definitely very satisfying. We missed out on the last one that we played in 23, and a surreal feeling to be able to win this one, winning, starting with the ODI series in England, winning 8 ODIs back-to-back. Amazing feeling.
We're just trying to get Virat coming alongside. Can you come in with Shubman, Virat, please? What does this mean to you? I mean, a special young man and one of the greatest we've ever seen. You two in the same change room. How does it feel for you to watch him? And what are you learning off this man?
Well, it's been amazing. Firstly, we wanted to bounce back after a tough Australia tour. Wanted to win a big tournament, and we ended up doing that. So it's an amazing feeling. Lovely playing with a bunch of such amazing youngsters. So much talent in the change room, and they're taking Indian cricket forward in the right direction. And we're only happy to help. Share our experience and try to make an impact whenever we get a chance. But yeah, these guys are stepping up in a massive way, and that's why we are such a strong team.
How much of an impact is he making?
Watching him on the TV when I was a kid and then playing against him, and seeing the intensity at which he plays at is just phenomenal to watch. And I think it tells us what the game is all about, giving us everything, and that's the only thing that he talks about, even off the field as well. Give your everything when you're playing on the field, and for him to be able to back his words like that is just phenomenal.
Is this the sort of thing that still drives you, Virat? These tournaments, these wins, being in and around this changing room?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, these are the things after playing for so long, such a long career. You look forward to situations where you're put under pressure and you walk in and you put your hand up. And I think to win titles, which has kind of been missing in the past, the whole team has to step up in different games. And if you see this tournament over a course of 5 matches, everyone has put their hand up somewhere or the other. And that's why we ended up winning this tournament. And people have made such impactful knocks, such impactful spells. And it's only a collective effort that can win you a title. And I'm just so happy that we were able to play as a unit, just really enjoy ourselves. We've had such an amazing time as a team here in practice sessions, off the field, on the field. It's been, honestly, an amazing, amazing tournament for us.
We know you've got more in you, but when that time does come, you're leaving it in some pretty capable hands.
Oh, for sure. I mean, as Shubman said, I try to speak to these guys as much as possible, try to share my experience, how I've been able to play for so long, try to step in wherever I can to help improve their games. And it's only as they rightly say, when you leave, you want to leave the place in a better position, and that's our effort. That's what we're striving for, that when eventually we are finally done at whatever stage, we have a squad that's ready to take on the world for the next 8-10 years. And these guys definitely have the talent to do so. And also the game awareness. And, they've stepped up already. So many impactful innings. This guy has played. Shreyas, beautiful. KL's been finishing games. So Hardik's a match winner. So, we are in good hands.
Just a word on the final. And they're playing against New Zealand. How much you enjoy that and how tough an opponent they are.
They're very consistent. They come up with plans and they execute it with the utmost accuracy that they can. And playing against them is always a challenge. We know that they're gonna give it their all, whether be it in batting, bowling, or fielding. And we definitely saw that tonight. Wasn't that easy chase for us. And credit to them, the way they come out and play consistent cricket.
And I know you've got a long history with some of the New Zealand players, Kane in particular. It's sad to see him not.
We've always been in awe of what they can do with the limited number of players they've had over the years and just maximize their talent to the absolute maximum. Every time we played against them in big games, they're going to come with a set plan, and no other team in world cricket executes plans as well as they do. They just know, every fielder knows where the bowler's going to bowl, and you can sense it. They're all attacking the ball because they know the bowler's going to be so accurate. So credit to them. They've been probably the most consistent team in the last 2 years in big tournaments. And the reason for that is their immense belief in their skills and the amount of talent they have. They utilize that to the maximum, and easily the best fielding side in the world. So, yeah, huge shout out to them. They continue to display why they are one of the top teams in the world. And again, a great campaign. Sad to see a very good friend of mine on the losing side, but I've been on the losing side a couple of times when he's been on the winning side. So only love between us.
Absolutely brilliant to watch you both throughout the tournament. Congratulations. Celebrate well. And
Sharma, for his innings of 76 of 83 balls in what was a tricky run chase. Rohit, I hope you can hear me with all the cheers around.
No, it's very nice. Look, we played some really good cricket through the tournament, and to come out here having the result our way, it's a great feeling. Very, very happy with how we played this game.
Over the last two ODI campaigns, you've been a different batter than you were earlier on. Is this something you wanted from the side? Is this something you were very comfortable with? Is it something that you thought was needed?
Yeah, look, it's obviously not natural to me, but it is something I really wanted to do. And obviously, when you're trying to do something different, you need the backing of the team, you need the backing of the management. And they were right through with me, in the ODI World Cup as well, with Rahul Bhai. This is what I spoke to him, and he was very much okay with it. And now, Gauti Bhai as well. So it's all about, getting that backing from the team as well and the management as well. And it is something that I really wanted to do. I've played all these years in a different style, but I wanted to try and do something different and try and see if we can play differently and get our results that we were looking for.
You're charging the fast bowlers, you're hitting them down the ground. At what point do you decide this shot is on? A bit predetermined, or you judge the length that quickly?
Look, having played here, on few occasions, you understand the nature of the pitch, what it does initially up front with the new ball. And then using my feet is something that I've been doing for a long time now. And it's just about being clear in your mind, and I was very clear in how I wanted to execute that first 5-6 overs. I've gotten out doing that as well, but I never wanted to look away from that. The results obviously is not going to be consistent in what I'm trying to achieve, but as long as it serves the purpose of the team, it serves the purpose of what we are trying to do, I'm happy with that.
Does the depth in the batting make it easier for you, that you've got batting all the way down?
Yeah, it makes a lot easier. And it gives you that freedom as well, which is why I said earlier as well that we wanted to have batting depth as long as possible, as deep as possible. Playing 8 batsmen, Jadeja coming at 8, gives you that confidence to go slightly hard up front with the new ball, and then it comes off, it doesn't. So be it. As long as I'm clear in my mind, that is the most important thing.
Congratulations, you can sleep well. You've got it still in the way you're playing your cricket. Well played.
Thank you so much.
Right, the player of the match Rohit Sharma, and what a wonderful innings it was. 76 of 83. Took the attack to New Zealand very early on. As he himself said, sometimes it's high risk, but look at those shots vanishing to the corners of the stadium. A century opening partnership in a 250 run chase. Well played